Tired of living on autopilot? Want to reprogram your mind and become the best version of yourself? At Mentality Top, we talk to you about Joe Dispenza. Discover the power of your mind with Joe Dispenza, the scientist who will teach you how to hack your brain and change your reality. In this video, you'll delve into the research of this neuroscience pioneer, who will reveal how your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs directly impact your health, well-being, and success. Learn how to eliminate limiting thought patterns, develop a more powerful and resilient mind, manifest your desires and goals, heal your body and live a more fulfilling life. Get ready for a radical transformation with Joe Dispenza and start living the life you've always dreamed of. Joe Dispenza, the neuroscientist who teaches you how to reprogram your mind. Can you imagine changing your life by reprogramming your mind? That is the mission of Joe Dispenza, a scientist, researcher, and lecturer who has dedicated his life to unraveling the secrets of the brain and how it can influence our health, well-being, and happiness. Born in the United States on March 22, 1962, Joe Dispenza studied biochemistry at Rutgers University in New Brunswick, New Jersey, chiropractic at Life University in Atlanta, and later received his doctorate in neuroscience. He has pursued graduate studies in neurology, neurophysiology, brain function, cell biology, genetics, memorization, brain chemistry, aging, and longevity. After suffering a serious accident at the age of 23, he focused his work on the brain and the mind-body connection, experimenting with his theories in the brain. His fascination with the power of the mind led him to investigate how our thoughts and emotions can modify the expression of our genes and even reverse diseases. His research and discoveries have revolutionized the field of neuroscience and epigenetics. Through his books, lectures, and workshops, Joe Dispenza has taught thousands of people around the world how to use the power of their mind to overcome depression, anxiety, and stress, improve their physical and mental health, attract what they desire into their lives, live a fuller, happier life. Among his most outstanding works are You Are the Placebo, Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself, or Evolve Your Brain, The Science of Changing Your Mind. His lectures and workshops, full of energy and enthusiasm, are a true journey into the human mind. Joe Dispenza explains complex concepts in a simple and entertaining way, making science accessible to everyone. No wonder he is one of the most popular speakers in the world. If you are looking for a way to change your life, Joe Dispenza is the person to help you. His work will show you how to use the power of your mind to create the reality you desire. Are you ready to reprogram your mind and live a better life?